In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 3645, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised Muslims that they should not hate other Muslims. Even if they possess a negative characteristic they dislike, they will undoubtedly possess other good characteristics they do like. This is an important principle to act on, especially in marriage. A Muslim should not constantly observe the negative characteristics their spouse possesses. Instead, they should try to concentrate on the positive characteristics they possess. This will improve the relationship between the married couple, and in fact, this attitude will improve the relationships between all people. This does not mean one should ignore the sins others commit or not encourage others to better themselves, as this is an aspect of commanding good and forbidding evil, which is a duty on all Muslims according to their knowledge. But it means they should not dislike a person for possessing a negative characteristic, as they may abandon it with time and because they are bound to possess good characteristics too. They should instead dislike the negative characteristic, not the person. Having this positive mindset will also help those who possess negative characteristics to abandon them. Whereas, if one shows hatred towards others, they might not change for the better out of stubbornness.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.